Hi guys, and welcome to another video. This is PJ. You're watching PJ's Coin Capers. So probably a month or so ago, I put out a video where I had a heap of coins that were actually not error coins. And what I was trying to show there was that there are lots of coins that you find in circulation that some people may think are errors that come from the mint, but majority of them are really just damage, post-mint damage that has occurred to the coin during its life, and as it travels around this country, it gets dinged and banged up a bit, and yeah, not all coins, certainly do not come from the mint looking like that. So some of them, look very damaged, but certainly there was only one coin I put in that lot there that was actually an error, and I did mention that at the time that I did put one coin out of the lot. I didn't point it out, but I did invite comment, and I thank you to those who did participate and put a comment in. I appreciate that, and thank you for that. And what we were basically showing there was this particular coin here, which is a tilted collar. So this was the coin here. And now you may notice that I've got this book here, which I have referred to a number of times, and I absolutely love being an error coin collector. I've found this book just brilliant. So you can find this book in particular bookstores, or you can order it online, or a lot of the coin shops around the country will have this particular coin book. Sorry, but on I think it was on page 151, there's a little explanation of what's going on with this particular coin, or what causes it. But you can see there in the middle of the page we've got collar die, a restraining device used in the striking stage of coin production, which encases the planchet and allows it to be struck, centered by both dies. In the case of errors, a fault in the collar will result in broad struck and off-center errors. So basically what we're looking at here is what it describes there. So I've got two examples here, and we'll try and get in nice and close on these. But let me see if I can just zoom in a bit and focus in on the actual coin. There we go. Let's move this book out of the background. Maybe that will help. Alright, so you'll see here we've got a tilted collar. Okay, so the milling around the edge of the coin is not fully across the whole width of the coin. So if I rotate the coin, you can see that it's certainly, well, there's fairly good coverage there, but then you'll see that the coin would have been tilted in the collar as the milling occurred around the edge, and therefore it wasn't centered properly, and therefore didn't get the correct milling around the coin. So if I show you both sides of this coin, doesn't look too bad, this one. I have had other ones that are far more off center, but this one here is a 1996, which in my thought and what I've found in the past would be a fairly rare one to find. The year 2000 one I've found a number of, and I think I have also found a few of these ones here, which is the 2003. But you can definitely see there that this coin is off center, and you can see that it is off by maybe a mil or so, but it certainly makes a difference to the actual coin. Now this one here has even less milling. You can see there, it stands out quite well. But these are highly sought after, and to be honest, I've probably only ever found maybe 10 in total. Majority of them have been on 5-cent coins. I have occasionally found possibly one or two, I think, only in 10-cent. I haven't personally found any 20-cent ones, but I have seen them. And I have found a $1 coin that was similar to this, which unfortunately I did sell. There's probably a lot of coins that I've sold that I wish I hadn't have now. But these are the two that I hold at the moment. Yeah, I just wanted to show you that, and I'm sorry I did forget to make that video after I did do that that other video on the post mint damage coins. But yeah, here it is today, and yeah, hope you've enjoyed looking at these. Certainly well worth looking out for. It's nice to find such an error like these guys here. Alright guys, that's enough for today, but yeah, thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and hit the like button if you've enjoyed what I've had to show today. Thanks very much guys, bye.